All parties Hurriyat conference leaders paying glowing tributes to the prominent Kashmiri leader Muhammad Maqbool Butt on the eve of his 40th martyrdom anniversary have said that the Kashmiri people are duty bound to safeguard the martyrs' sacrifices by taking their mission to its logical conclusion. According to Kashmir Media Service, illegally detained APHC leader Maulvi Bashir Ahmad Irfani, in a message from the jail, maintained that Muhammad Maqbool Butt, Muhammad Afzal Guru and other martyrs infused a new life in the Kashmir freedom movement. Hindutva-inspired Bharatiya Janata Party government in India is conspiring to hang illegally detained Jammu and Kashmir Liberation Front chairman Mohammad Yasin Malik for their political gains. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today said Narendra Modi-led BJP government is preparing grounds to hang Yasin Malik, as was done in the cases of Muhammad Maqbool Butt and Muhammad Afzal Guru. India's dreaded National Investigation Agency conducted house raids at multiple locations in the occupied Kashmir today. According to Kashmir Media Service, NIA sleuths, along with the Indian paramilitary personnel, carried out raids on the houses of leaders and activists of Jamaat-e-Islami, Jammu and Kashmir in different areas of Kulgam, Srinagar, Baramulla and Jammu districts for their affiliation with the ongoing struggle for right to self-determination. Complete shutdown will be observed tomorrow in occupied Kashmir to mark the 40th martyrdom anniversary of the prominent Kashmiri leader Muhammad Maqbool Butt. According to Kashmir Media Service, call for the shutdown has been given by the All Parties Hurriyat Conference, Jammu and Kashmir Liberation Front and other pro-freedom organizations.